This video reviews lesson 8, A8, making predictions with experimental probability. If you flip 2 coins 4 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times both coins will land on heads? So our first job is to figure out what is the sample space in this experiment. So what could happen if we are flipping 2 coins? What are the possible outcomes? So we could get heads, heads. We could get heads, tails. So if we think about this as coin 1, this is coin 2 that we're flipping. We could get tails, heads, or we could get tails, tails. So if we flipped 2 coins 4 times, we can see there's only one combination that really works out to be that head, head. So 1 is the answer for this one. If you spin the spinner 11 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will not land on pink? So first job, we want to figure out how many sections there are on the spinner. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 outcomes, and there is 1 that is green. So if we spun 11 times, we would predict we would get green 1 time. It's more likely that we would get pink. If you spin the spinner 4 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on yellow or green? So we have 4 sections, so there are 4 outcomes: blue, 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 and green. What is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on yellow or green? Well, there's only 1 out of 4 that fits either yellow or green, so 1 is our best prediction. If you spin the spinner 9 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on blue? Well, we'll count the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So out of 9, we want to figure out how many are blue. Well, 0 are blue, so I would expect to spin blue 0 times. If you spin the spinner 7 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on blue? Again, I'm going to start by counting the spaces. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 total spaces. So if I'm going to spin, land on blue, there's 1 section out of the 7 that's blue. So if I spin 7 times, I would expect to maybe get blue 1 time. If you spin the spinner 7 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on green? Okay, again, I have 7 possible spots. 2 out of 7 are green, so if I make a prediction, I'd say 2 times out of 7. If you spin the spinner 9 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on pink? So this is a new spinner, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has 9 sections. Landing on pink, I can see that there are 3 out of 9, so I'm going to say 3 times.